Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay, well, I think someone's going to come and see you.
There's really no need.
We begin with a strange encounter. She immediately asserts that filming shouldn't be done here and states she'll get others involved. This is a subtle but important moment. Her tone, her body language, and the immediate assumption of wrongdoing sets the tone for what's to come. No legal reference, no dialogue, just a warning and a threat of escalation.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
Oh, are you?
doing this, under the police station, so why are you here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So
Because it's a
who are
police
you guys?
station.
Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can
no,
you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can
What are
we
you
call a
doing?
unit, please?
Hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of a police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's
Why
not
not?
allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you're just a
someone
right.
call
You're just,
the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do you
you're not
mean I'm
leaving
What, am
now.
I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
This is some of the most incompetent policing I've ever seen. As he tries to walk away, they asks if he's being detained. A simple question. They dodge it like they've never heard of due process. Not one of them can cite a power. Not one of them gives a reason. They just stand there and say absolutely nothing of substance. This isn't policing. It's a power trip. A uniform does not excuse incompetence. And what we're witnessing here is exactly that. A gang of clueless officers unable to explain or justify their actions. Under Section 2 of PACE, they're legally required to state what law they're acting under and why. Instead, we get silence, contradiction, and an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Is anyone calling you?
What am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
No, 'cause
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you don't
your
need to
phone
look.
and
You don't need to look at anything.
Yeah, because you're
No, you
filming
don't.
a police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Don't take. Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even
did?
detaining me. So what's going on?
Who did?
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to
So I'm not
stay
trying to
here
run
and
away.
get
I've asked you a
someone
question.
to
Am I
look.
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can
with
be
your
outside the
car.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you here?
Because I'm
Were
allowed
you
to fly it.
drunk?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're not.
Of course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed
you're
to fly
not.
it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go
police
to the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from.
It only gets worse from here. One of the officers tell him he's not allowed to fly here. No reference to any law, no attempt to cite the Civil Aviation Authority's drone code, nothing. Just another baseless claim thrown out with confidence and zero clarity. The DJI Mini 2 falls under the sub-250 category. It's legal to fly in most public spaces, including near buildings, provided it doesn't pose a safety risk or violate airspace restrictions. Yet, here they are trying to shut it down like it's a terrorist threat. This is exactly why public trust in policing is eroding. Officers bluffing their way through the law, hoping compliance comes easier than questions.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you
because
just tried to. You lot have just
you
put
had
hands
your
on me numerous
drone
times.
Over the police
I can't have it over the
station.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No, you
I already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
You lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
We've asked you a question. Why are you
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am
what
I
you are.
pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. Just put hands on me.
Well, you would. You would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What? It's
Yeah,
illegal.
over the
It's a legal
police-
activity.
yeah, it
It's a legal
is.
activity. I'm gonna do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes,
do
I
you?
do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very
Because
rude,
can't
actually.
do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
But there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over? a
Because I
police
want to
station?
do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things
No, I
like that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
You can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park.
Oh,
I want
you
to have
don't,
a look
but you
inside
want to
there.
do it
Yeah, I want to
in
look in there,
here.
yeah.
Okay, then, so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under terrorist act.
Yeah,
There
what
you go.
section? Which section?
This is almost laughable. She can't even name the section of the Terrorism Act. Clearly unfamiliar with the law. Yet, she recklessly throws around the word terrorism like it's a catch-all threat. This kind of clueless intimidation is not just unprofessional, it's an abuse of authority. Officers like this weaponize confusion and fear instead of facts, hoping you'll just shut off and comply. Yet, she's making herself look an absolute fool.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you
Oh,
don't.
do you now?
Oh, of course I know
So
what I'm talking
why-
about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so...
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name? You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
Right.
Both PCSOs failed to produce their designation cards. Instead, only giving their caller numbers and names legally under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002. PCSOs must present their designation cards upon request whenever they are exercising their powers or duties. This card is not just a formality. It confirms their authority and the specific powers granted to them by their chief constable. Simply stating a name and column number without showing their official ID falls short of the legal requirements and raises serious questions again about transparency and accountability in the police.
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation
You don't?
cards.
You're
No,
sure about that?
designation card is what I have on control with me.
So you don't have a card there
I have
that
a
shows your...
designation card.
So may I see it?
You
So I
already
can
have
see.
the shoulder number.
I'm
That's
not,
enough
I'm
for
speaking
you.
to her, I'm not
That's
speaking
enough
to
for
you.
Can I understand why
Mate.
you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying a drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
Should look into our into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that when...
Because obviously we
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm...
The auditor's insistence on asking these questions highlights his knowledge of his rights, something every citizen should strive for. Silence or vague answers from the police often signal misconduct or unlawful stops.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why...
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no... If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands
If
on
you try and stop me from leaving, I'm going to push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively, if anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over.
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on
cannot
me.
just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
I can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining. Can I understand why are you?
You don't
flying
need to understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expected
into-
to find? You just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expected to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Padded Mel, with a drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this.
So
I certainly don't expect.
very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you're very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and-
in a position
and
where
threaten
you
to
are
search
at the
me under
moment.
section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
you were the one
did.
that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well,
we
yeah,
could've just
because
had a
you
conversation.
were flying
If you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone?
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of PACE. Oh, now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking
I
to
need
you,
to find
please.
out what's going on, please. Just
So
give
you
me
can't
1
detain
minute.
me to find out what's going on, Sergeant.
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premises.
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen
Mate,
goods on me?
I want to know what
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
No, answer the question. Answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right. I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as a
gave
citizen who's
you.
subject to
He
the same
gave
power.
you.
He didn't give
gave
me
you
anything. He
gave you his
You just put him in a
explanation.
situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with Section 1 of PACE. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with Section 1 of PACE. You've used Section 1 of PACE. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use Section 1 of PACE,
It's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use
I don't
Section
need to
1
answer
of
your
PACE.
question. I don't need to answer it.
Then what are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his Section 1 PACE power, he can use his Section 1 PACE.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
He's detained by him. I can't justify
Okay.
his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under Section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under Section 1?
No, you're not detained under Section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now.
Okay.
You've been detained.
And here's where things start to unravel. After initially invoking Section 1 of PACE, a search power that requires reasonable suspicion of stolen goods or offensive weapons, the officer suddenly shifts gears. Without any clear justification, he abandons that route and pulls out his phone mid-inter, scrolling to read up on Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. That's right. He literally Googled the law before citing it. This isn't sloppy policing. It's dangerous. It's a misuse of legislation. Section 43 specifically allows stop and search when an officer reasonably suspects someone is a terrorist. But here, no such grounds were offered. No specific threat, no intelligence, just a camera and a drone. This is a blatant misuse of authority.
Then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have... you know what is going to
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want you... I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? You should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station...
But nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but...
So do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect that I'm a terrorist? You don't know. There needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
Get your hand off me.
you
All right, under duress.
politely.
Get your hand off me.
It's
Under
not-
duress. I'm going to
it's
show
not-
you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is the drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence, bro? You're going to seize it?
Yes,
You're seizing it all, yeah?
yes. Yeah,
Why? You just said you wanted to review the footage.
yeah. That's what. Is it not what I said?
Say again?
Yeah.
In your own time, yeah? All right.
To sum up, flying a drone under 250 G in a public airspace, even near police stations, is legal. Police must have reasonable grounds and follow proper procedure to detain or search you. They must identify themselves and give clear reasons. Physical contact must be justified and proportionate. Serious powers like the Terrorism Act cannot be used arbitrarily. This encounter raises important questions about how police engage with the public and limits to their authority, especially around basic freedom like filming in public spaces. It's crucial we understand our rights, hold officers accountable when those rights are challenged or ignored. And by staying informed and vigilant, we help to ensure transparency and protect the rule of the law. If you found this breakdown useful, please consider subscribing and sharing as it helps with my independent research.